Okay, it's extremely bright outside. There's a bird's nest up there. And it's amazing because birds are awesome. See it? I don't know. I think. I hope. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure you can at this point. And there's twigs over here. So it goes inside the roof or walls or whatever. Really cool. Thought I'd show that to you guys because it's awesome and really bright outside, which is why I'm going back here. Ooh. A bird just flew out of there. Where'd you come from? Hello? Oh, up there. I see it. Notification sounds, probably Howling Iota texting me. Oh my god. I've lived here since